name is Emmanuel and I just finished taking TOEFL test after joining the TOEFL course from Starfish. And from TOEFL test, I got 108 out of 120, and so I'm here to share my experience. So I took TOEFL test because I want to study in US, and in order to join the universities there, I need to take TOEFL test. Among the 4 sections of the test, I got full scores in reading and speaking, and what I did to get full score is, first of all, I try to study every day. Even though I'm not motivated or not, I try to study every day because doing so can help me learn the study materials. And if I do not study every day, it is likely that I can forget even those that I've learned. And secondly, especially in reading, I try to train my test-taking timing. For example, in reading, I get 1 hour to answer 39 questions for 3 passages. So it's a very tight time. So in order to do that, I always spend 50 minutes per passage and to answer the questions of that passage. And doing so, after answering all the questions, I have left 15 minutes. And in the remaining 15 minutes, I check back all these answers. And by doing that, I can not only answer the questions completely, but also that I can recheck all the answers that I've answered. And also in speaking, the speaking is the part that I struggle the most, because in speaking I only have 20 seconds to prepare and to deliver that topic in 45 seconds in 1 minute. And so this is a very struggling part for me. So what I did was, when I'm working in day-to-day life, I try to think of the topics and what I would say about it, at least 2 ideas. And doing this really helped me in the real test day, because I automatically can think of the main 2 ideas about a certain topic. Practicing this can really help me on the test day, because I can easily think of the 2 main topics and I don't need to spend a lot of time to think of several ideas. And the third thing that I did for both parts is that I try to review the mistakes that I made in the previous test. This is very important, because even though I'm practicing, if I do not know the practice mistakes that I did in the previous test, I would make the same old mistakes. So in order to prevent that, what I did was review the previous mistakes and figure out why I did that mistake and how I can improve them. At Starfish, I've joined 2 classes, SAT class and TOEFL classes, and my experience in both classes are great. The class activities are exceptional, the teachers are very good at teaching, and the staffs and all the other facilities at the school are very suitable for all the students. And moreover, what I like to mention is that after each classes, I always stay at the school until 5:30 when the school closes. So even I stay there after classes, all of the staffs are welcoming and try to assist me as much as they can. What I like most about Starfish is that the teachers are always willing to help at any time and anywhere. Try to give all your best, and your efforts will prove good results.